Okay, so here's a wild thought to start with. What if the fastest, cheapest real-world payments don't come from banks or even big fintech apps, but from DePin networks stitched together with stablecoins? Look, I know on-chain payments today still feel kinda slow and, honestly, a bit messy. You tap, you wait, sometimes you're like, did that even go through? But wait, there's this new combo that's starting to look interesting. DePin isn't just sensors and random miners anymore. It's turning into real payment rails. Like, Helium Mobile is already pushing decentralized wireless coverage, and that infrastructure, yeah, can actually move data for payments without relying on giant telecom backbones. And then you've got networks like IO.net making compute cheaper for AI apps, and that same idea of distributed supply. It applies to payment routing too. Even Render is showing how distributed infrastructure can scale globally without a giant central operator. It's the same playbook. Lots of small nodes, super low cost. Now pair that with stablecoins. USDC on Solana, for example, settles crazy fast. We're talking near instant. And low fees. And it's already showing up in apps like Phantom and Jupiter Pay, where sending value feels almost like sending a message. Not perfect yet, but surprisingly smooth. So imagine this. DePin handles the coverage, the connectivity, the routing, and stablecoins handle the money. You get a payment system that doesn't care if you're in New York, Manila, Nairobi, wherever. If the network is up, the payment just moves. Simple, reliable. And who's actually building toward this? Helium, Solana, Circle, obviously. But also newer players like Teleport for decentralized ride-hailing, Hivemapper with on-chain mapping, even WorldCoin's World ID for identity layers, so merchants don't have to worry about who's paying. Each piece fills a gap that traditional rails still treat as extra infrastructure. So, can DePin plus stablecoins actually fix real-world payments? Honestly, maybe not overnight. But the direction feels right. Lower cost, global reach, fewer intermediaries. And every month the pieces look a little more connected. The real question is, when this finally clicks, will people even notice? Or will payments just start working the way we always hoped they would? Fast, cheap, and kind of invisible. All right, that's it for today. Stay safe, stay curious, and I'll see you in the next one.